Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today we are talking about on how to send files in WhatsApp. We all know that WhatsApp is a messaging app, but did you know that we can also send files through it? Whether it is a photo, a video, or even an important document. So, without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do, guys, is just to open your application, the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. So let's open it. And then once you open it, guys, you can see here at the lower part of the screen, there is a send message button. Just click it. And then once you click it now, guys, you can now already select a contact where you want to send your files. You can create a new group, a new contact, or a new community. Alright, so now let's select a contact where we want to send the file, like this one. And then once you open it, guys, over here at the lower part of the screen, there is a attachment button or a paper clip icon, this one. So all we need to do is just to click that, and we can now see here a document, a camera, gallery, audio, location, contact, and a pool. So since that, for example, we are going to send a picture, so all we need to do is just to click this gallery. Alright, so click this gallery and then select a person, a picture where what we want to send. Alright, so like this one, for example, this picture. So let's click it. And by the way, guys, when you're going to send this picture, you can also edit. Alright, so at the upper right part of the screen, there are some 4 icons where you will able to edit your picture, like this one. So you can attach stickers or emojis like that, and also you can also add a caption to this picture. Let's say, for example, couple. Alright, so just type couple, and then if you are now ready to send this picture, you can now directly click this send button. Okay, so when we're going to click this one, let us wait for a minute. Alright, so as you can see, there is a 2 check over here. It is a sign that your picture was already sent to the person or to the contact where you selected. Alright, so there you go, guys. This is on how to send files in WhatsApp. So if you want to know on how to send files in WhatsApp, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to send files in WhatsApp, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!